Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a wheel speed sensor on a Jeep Wrangler. First, use a diagnostic scanner to pinpoint which sensor is faulty. Next, gather your tools, including a jack, lug wrench, and a socket set. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands for stability and safety. This preparation is crucial for a smooth repair process. Once your Jeep is secure, remove the wheel to gain access to the wheel speed sensor. You'll typically find it near the brake caliper or hub assembly. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Then, use the appropriate socket to unbolt the old sensor from its mounting bracket. Take care not to damage any surrounding components during removal. Now, take your new wheel speed sensor and carefully install it into the mounting bracket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Hand tighten the bolt first, then use your wrench to secure it firmly. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks into place. Finally, reinstall the wheel and torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified setting, usually around 95 to 100 foot-pounds. After everything is reassembled, use your diagnostic scanner to clear any stored trouble codes from the vehicle's computer. Then, take your Jeep for a test drive to confirm the new sensor is functioning correctly and that no warning lights reappear. This ensures the repair was successful and your vehicle is safe to drive. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.